I'm trying to make this video without crying. I'm not sure if I'm going to be successful. I'm going to try, so you may see some edit cuts. Oh my God. Yeah, could you look any more tired? Oh my God, that's nasty. Do I seriously look like that? Oh well, who cares? I just wanted to make this video because I wanted to say thank you. I too feel loss. If it wasn't for the beautiful community on this channel, I can honestly say that probably the first week after losing Raphael, having experienced loss 9 months ago from losing a very much loved dog, Napoleon, and now doing it again, it's a little squished in a small time frame, and I've realized I don't process things. And even since Christmas time, I have come to realize it's okay, and that's what I'm doing. I'm taking time. I want to learn my focus. Sometimes you just need time. When you have a pattern of what you're doing and you do need to take time, better editing. I want to be more creative. I want to be more in tune with the community that I have built on my channel, and I want to focus on that. I also want to understand my routine, my habits, my time on social media, how it's not being utilized properly. It's making me feel inundated. It's a lot of information coming at you at once. It's too much to process, and then trying to stay focused on what I need to do. I need to figure out how I can evolve a relationship. Social media is not bad. I think it's a good thing, but as somebody who wants to create on YouTube, and you feel this pressure, or at least I just say it in my own experience, you feel that you need to be posting all the time and you need to be engaging all the time. And what happens is, because there's so much, you're processing, and I just find my attention span, my level of anxiety, everything's just gone a little out of sorts. That it's because of the way I'm using it, and I need to take a step out and focus in order to move forward and build better relationships with the social media platforms that work for me. I can honestly say at my weakest point, uploading every single week for 3 years is a lot, and it does take away from the things that you normally enjoy in life, from just the simple pleasures, because you feel that online social media is 24 hours and you're trying to do so much. I have the alternative of hiring people to help me with thumbnails, with my editing, it's taking away the creativity in which I'm trying to grow on my channel, and I don't want to do that. The videos are not just about what I create, but it's also, the video is a representation of how I see it, and I don't think somebody else can mirror that. But it's also taking away the joy of what I love to do. I love to make videos. I want to really focus my time on my editing, the crafting of the editing, being more cinematic, being more transparent with my audience, you here on YouTube. And I want to take this time to sort myself out properly. I want to be healthy. I want to keep representing everything I've already been doing. It's a safe spot. It's a creative spot. It's an inspirational channel. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart how much it means to me that so many of you reached out to see if I was okay. And I am, but I'm not. But that's okay. I will be. I will be okay. It's just, if you know to experience a loss, it just takes time. It takes time. Okay, I'm gonna edit that. Yeah, I'm gonna edit that. That's why I didn't want to wear any makeup. So that's why my face just looks swollen. I just look bad, but it really doesn't matter. The reason I'm making this video too is because so many people reached out and made me realize what a beautiful community this is on YouTube. So many have joined into my channel And all I can say is thank you so much. Your comments, I've read them many times. I posted on my community to tell you what was going on, and not everybody gets those notifications. So I felt that it was important that I come on here and share that I too experience loss, and it hurts. It's like a missing energy in your environment, and then I'm gonna have to fill it with a new energy eventually, and that's okay. There's two things I've learned in a lot of aspects of my life is you cannot fight with Mother Nature, and you cannot fight with Father Time. And that's why everybody and the entire planet is going to experience loss. But do remember, it's better to have loved than never to have not loved, regardless of the time you were given. I can't thank you enough for all the beautiful comments and support and encouragement to take time to deal with your loss. And for that, I am very grateful. And I will be back because I love making videos. I love this community. It's beautiful. I also want to be more transparent on my videos. I want to show more of my mistakes on my videos. And I just want to make better filmed videos and edited videos. So it's more fun. It's more enjoyable. It means a lot to share inspiration. It means a lot to share creativity. I love doing that. There's certain things about social media I don't like, and I will get around that. But I am really looking forward to seeing you soon. Thank you. Anyone dealing with a loss, just remember, you're not alone. And everything you're going through is normal. Because when you're in it, you feel like you're in a box and everything around you is going as normal and you're not feeling it. It's normal. But as I say, I've had to deal with a lot of loss this year, and one being so recent, it just tipped me off my game. And I just need to focus again and take some time, and I will be back. And I appreciate your support very much. And if you are going through a loss, just remember, this video is here to help you understand that it's okay. It's okay to be sad, it's okay to be angry, it's okay to second question, it's okay to be in that box. And it doesn't make sense. It's grieving. That energy, that loss that was around you, that you felt, is gone. And now you have to put it somewhere deep, deep inside you to remember what you had instead of focusing on what you don't have. And that's okay. It takes time. It can take a long time, and take the time that you need. I'm looking forward to sharing a lot of different facets of what I do, why I do it. I want to be more transparent with you. Also remember that loss does not mean you lose. Loss just means you have to reposition your heart. And it doesn't mean that you don't love what you've lost. It just means that you have to now create a beautiful memory, and that's a process. And sometimes it can be a long process. I appreciate that the community here on this channel has supported, left so many comments that I reread a lot as a support to understanding that what I feel and what I'm going through right now is normal. It's loss. And you're going to shine and love again when you're ready. Just like Mother Nature gives us day, and we also get night. You can't appreciate one without the other. So this is part of the cycle of life, is loss. And it hurts. I do miss you. I do miss making the videos. I really enjoy making videos. I enjoy all of the process of it. But I need to make a better train on how I do it without feeling so misfocused. I need to make sure I have enough time to actually execute what I'm trying to create without being bogged down with social medias. There's no manual to it. I guess the best analogy is sometimes you just have to fly and build your engine while you're doing it. And sometimes being on YouTube to create YouTube videos, that's exactly how I feel. But I'm looking forward to sharing more of my journey with you soon. Having experienced so much loss in 1 year, I'm just in a sad place. And I think that's perfectly normal. Losing my Napoleon and now my Raphael, it's an energy that's no longer present, except in my memory. I'm grateful for Hatley. Animals, people, things that we love, and experiencing a loss. There is no rule book, there's no manual, there's no process in which two people are going to equal the same. It's not something you do, it's something you go through. And I just need time. And you need to forgive yourself to take that time. And that's all I'm doing. I'm just taking the time. I'll be back. I will be back. I have a lot of things I want to do, a lot of things I want to create, a lot of things I want to share. I love sharing inspiration. It's fun. It's a lot of work. Making videos is a lot of work. I have uploaded for 3 years, every week, and I miss doing it. I wish I could explain why I just need time, but I don't think anybody who experiences loss should have to validate why they need time. I think it's part of being healthy and understanding what you're dealing with, and that dealing with grief is not about a fixed time, it's a process.